Hi guy, nice to see you. My name is NARA. Today I am going to show you 9 business make you become a millionaire. So what that is business and what do you need to do to become success with all that business? See here, all business below need to invest. So number one, financial service. Financial services are the economic services provided by the financial industry, which encompass a broad range of business that manage money, include credit union, bank, credit card company, insurance company, accountancy companies, consumer financial company, stock brokerage, investment fund, individual. Number two, technology service. What is technology service? Technology services are professional services designed to facilitate the use of the technology by enterprise and end user. Technology services provide specialized technology-oriented solutions by combining the process and function of software, hardware, network, telecommunications, and electronic. Number three, healthcare service. What is healthcare service? Healthcare service means the furnishing of medicines, medicals, or surgical treatment, nursing, hospital service, dental service, optometric service, complementary health service, or any or all of the enumerated service or any other necessary service of life character whether or not contingent upon sickness. Number 4. Real estate service. What is real estate service? Real estate service is properly consisting of land and the building on it, along with its natural resources such as crop, mineral, or water. A knowable property of this nature or an interest vested in this also an item of real property, more generally building or in general. Education survey. What is the education survey? Education survey sector comprise establishments that provide instruction and training in a wide variety of subjects. The instruction and training is provided by specialized establishments such as school, college, university, and training center. Entertainment service. What is entertainment service? Entertainment is a form of activity that holds the attention and interest of an audience or gives the meaning of the word comedy and the audience expectation of it have changed. Television regarded as an essential entertainment service for patients and residents will need to be replaced by access to the internet. Transportation service. What is the transportation service? Transport or transportation used in US is the movement of human, animal, and goods. It is possible to provide door-to-door service any by road transport. Water transport is a movement by means of a watercraft, such as a barge, boat, ship, sailboat, over a body of water, such as a sea, ocean, lake, canal. Energy service. What is the energy service? An energy service company ESCO is a business that provides a broad range of energy. EOS service often use performance contracting, meaning that if this project does not provide return on the investment, the EOS is responsible to pay. The last one is food supply. So what is the food supply? Food supply, example US English or catering industry, British English. Define those business institutions and companies responsible for any meal prepared outside the home. Food supply distributor sell goods like small ware, kitchen utensil and food. This is we call food supply. So this is the last one we finished. Now we finished our 9 business. So as you can see, like food supply, energy supply, transportation supply, entertainment supply, education supply, real estate supply, healthcare supply, technology supply, financial supply. So all this business you need to invest so you can become a millionaire by all these 9 business. Thank you for watching.